So check this out, guys. We've started the week very well at Virgin Galactic. We're at $37 and we've only just started. It's Monday today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Underdog Investing. So today we're going to talk about some good news surrounding Virgin Galactic, and it's not actually directly about Virgin Galactic, but it's news about other space related companies including Blue Origin and Virgin Orbit. And I'm going to tell you why that's very bullish for us and why I think it could potentially go even higher than these levels today. So if that's something you're interested in hearing about, stay tuned. And like always, I'll be grateful if you can smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's jump straight into the good news. This is the main news of the week. So Blue Origin ticket actually sold for $28 million, and this is a ticket to actually go to space with Jeff Bezos and his brother. And initially what happened was the actual ticket was pre-bidding around $4.8 million, and if you have a look here, after about 5 minutes, so within the first 5 minutes, the bidding actually soared from $4.9 million all the way to $26 million in 5 minutes. And then finally, the winning bid was $28 million. At the moment, we don't know who the person is who actually won the bid, but that will be released in a few weeks' time. And the reason why this is so important for not only Blue Origin but also for companies like Virgin Galactic is that it really shows the demand for space tourism. And if you imagine one ticket, I know it is a ticket to go to space with Jeff Bezos, but still it sold for $28 million, and that really just demonstrates the demand. And if you think about that and compare it with Virgin Galactic, who are selling tickets for around $200,000 to $400,000 per ticket to go to space, it just shows you how much of a bargain it is for Virgin Galactic. And potentially this could go up in the future if the demand continues to destroy the supply. And that could potentially be what happens, as Blue Origin has demonstrated with this auction. So this is great news for Virgin Galactic. It really demonstrates the demand. I think that's the main thing to get from this. And one of the things that I wanted to mention is this is really good because it's actually keeping the stock price of Virgin Galactic above $30. So as you may know, the actual test flight success managed to bring the stock price above $30. And what's actually happened now is, with all this good news surrounding the Blue Origin ticket, it's prevented a sell-off or a major sell-off in the stock price for Virgin Galactic. And this is important because we're hopefully going to hear news about the next test flight for Virgin Galactic. So hopefully we get something from the Virgin Galactic Twitter page telling us about the next schedule for the test flight with the fully crewed member flight. And once we hear that, that will be the next catalyst for the stock price to go up, possibly above the $40 range. But what's really important at the moment is that we've got some positive news which is able to keep the stock price higher than the $30 to $35 range, and that's exactly what this Blue Origin ticket sale has done for us. So very good news for us, and a great start to the week for Virgin Galactic. And now just to go on to some other good news around the Virgin Galactic group. So Richard Branson's Virgin Orbit is actually in talks to go public via a SPAC. So the actual SPAC is called Next Generation Acquisition 2, and it is led by the one of the partners or the former partners of Goldman Sachs. And so this is another piece of positive news that is going to push the Virgin Galactic stock price a bit higher and maintain those levels before we get our next good news about Virgin Galactic and about the test flight. So the deal is actually expected in the coming weeks, and hopefully that happens. And like I said, it is a positive catalyst for us. So advanced discussions to go public at about $3 billion valuation through a SPAC. If the Virgin Orbit is at $3 billion, I think that the Virgin Galactic stock price should be higher. I mean, it's way more exciting than Virgin Orbit, although Virgin Orbit does have a very stable use case in terms of the satellite market, which is booming at the moment. If you even look at SpaceX, they're going into that. They're sending satellites into suborbit. So definitely a good business, Virgin Orbit, and let's hope that it works in synergy with Virgin Galactic, and they both push each other up in terms of the stock price. So yeah, so some good news this week, and I think hopefully we've got more good news coming. It's been about a month now since the test flight was successful for Virgin Galactic, so hopefully the analysis is coming to an end. Hopefully they can update us soon about the actual analysis and what they've gained from it, whether there's any FAA approval checkpoints which have been completed this time round, and what else they need to do in the next test flight. And hopefully once that happens, we get a schedule for the next test flight and things get rolling, and come on Richard Branson, let's go to space. So that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, I'll be grateful if you can smash that like button, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so to stay tuned for future updates. And if there's anything you found very useful, I'll be grateful if you can share this with your friends. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.